po ulit yung nandito sa left natin?
Abreu.
Abreu.
Yes.
Ayala Land
ALP.
Premier.
Abreu. Ito.
Itong right side is Santiera. Also an Ayala Land Premier.
So this is second gate of New Valley. Second gate guard New Valley. Circle, Canlubang Golf Course, Country Club, and going to Tagaytay.
Turn right there.
This is Merala.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, Miriam College, Campaign. The third gate before you entrance in New Valley, Raimonte. Very strictly dito before you enter and need your sticker, and outside car no entry.
Yes. Very private.
And it's a last security. So in the left side is range view,
Rich view.
option lot, worth of 7 to 10 million.
This is one for Avida.
Yeah,
Avida.
range view.
So
This
Avida has house and lot only.
Yeah, Avida range view estate. On your right side is this Silver School,
Oh.
and also the condo Amaya.
Amaya. Oh.
That one.
Okay.
On the right side is Trebea.
Trevilla. Alveo. Yes. Second brand of Ayala Land.
The left side is also Avida. Avida settings. Nobody. Worth of 4 to 5 million. Is Trebea entrance.
Our percentages are actually placed.
We are now approaching the Raimonte entrance. On the right side is the first project of Yulo in Ayala. It's Montecito.
Oh, Montecito Ayala Land Premier.
Right? The road is Nobody Boulevard. There's some exercising, hiking. Raimonte is turn right.
So that's Miriam
Miriam
College. Parents namin nagbabike ha. I love it.
Over there, the mountain is Tagaytay. Looking for Tagaytay Range. So, on your left side is Benari, Albeo. People who find dito sa Point India. Straight ahead, it is
Albeo.
Merala, Albeo. Albeo. Other side is Miriam College of Nubad. On your left, Miriam College is also operational. So this is a sign, Hillcrest State left and Abida Southfields left, Abida Woodhill left, Raimonte and turn right, and Mondia turn right. So this is the road going to Buendia and Raimonte.
Still in progress.
And the road is under construction. Also.
Yes.
This is entrance security of Raimonte.
Temporarily.
So the mountain on your left is Tagaytay Range.
Mhm.
So very near Tagaytay.
Mhm.
So it is a very cold place area.
Buti ngayon nadadaanan na to, no?
Hanggang dyan lang.
Ayan,
Sa loob lang siguro groundbreaking. Hindi na
Mhm.
tayo papayagan.
yes.
So at least we are looking for the new project. The road is under construction, under groundbreaking. So from here, this is Raimonte.
This is Rio
So
Monte.
also under construction. So we
Yes.
cannot go inside
Rio Monte neighborhood 1.
that one.
The whole left side. Oops.
All left side is Raimonte. We cannot go around. So this is the entrance of Raimonte. But we cannot go there because of the road is under construction.
Yes.
You see the signboard, Raimonte. So that's the entrance.
This is the latest progress of Rio Monte neighborhood 1. It's quite big.
So we can go turn going round.
Mhm.
Also Raimonte here. Six. Then left. also Raimonte. Let's go inside. Wow. Left hand side is under Raimonte.
May markings na doon. Pwede po bang bumaba doon para makita ko po?